Hi everyone, in front of me is HONOR X6A, and let's check how to find the information about the total screen time in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and almost at the very bottom we will have the digital well-being and parental controls. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that for above 1 hour, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. You can also check some further details using two different ways. So you can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the information about the total screen time in particular days of the week, so you can compare them. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got all of the apps listed with a specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, Play Store, Chrome, contacts, etc., whatever app you've got here, and then it will be transferred to the graph again or the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, here we've got some ways to disconnect, and whenever you decide that you spend too much time on the screen, you can set the bedtime mode or the focus mode and basically allow your device to block or hide some notifications, so you will not be disturbed and you will be able to focus on other actions, like for example studying or simply resting. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.